Today I have the new iPad. It's a supercomputer to use at home or at work. But first, subscribe to the channel because I publish new videos every week and I will show you everything about this tablet, from unboxing, specifications, analysis, connectivity and demonstrations, to know everything about this iPad. Let's see the features of the iPad 9, the 9th generation iPad, and later I will talk in detail about all the specifications. Let's start by taking off the protective film. We'll peel off the film that protects the tablet, peel it off all the way around, and here's the iPad. So beautiful. This iPad has a screen with a diagonal of 10.2 inches. It's a multi-touch screen. It has an Apple A13 Bionic processor, 3 GB of RAM, with storage up to 256 GB. It has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The screen is Retina display multi-touch. You can use multiple fingers for interaction. It has a 32 watt-hour battery and it comes with the iPad OS 16 operating system. This iPad has two cameras, a front camera and a rear camera. Starting with the front camera, it's a 12 megapixel camera with an ultra-wide angle, with a field vision of 122 degrees. It automatically frames the user image, records video in 1080p up to 60 fps, with image stabilization, and it takes pictures in HDR. So it is a good camera for everyday use. It's one of the best front cameras I've seen. The rear camera is on the top corner. It is a 8 megapixel wide-angle camera, records video in 1080p with 3 times video zoom, records in slow motion at 120 fps. It has image stabilization and records in H264 or HEVC format. But who is this iPad aimed at? Who is the target consumer? It is that person who wants to use the internet, read and respond to emails, watch movies, play games, but also draw. With a medium-sized screen, this iPad is targeted for more than 95% of customers. Some positive aspects about this new iPad. The display is compatible with the first generation Apple Pencil and the Smart Keyboard. The front camera is ultra-wide angle, great for video calls, recording yourself or take selfies, and it does an automatic framing of the user. It also has True Tone, so it adapts the brightness intensity of the screen and color tones according to the environment. And some negative aspects. It has a Lightning connection, so it doesn't have a USB-C connection. The memory is not DDR5. It does not have an M1 or M2 processor, does not record 4K video. It can only be bought in two colors, space gray or silver. It could have a variety of colors, more vibrant and happy colors. It doesn't take pictures in RAW, which would be good for photographers. And the slow motion doesn't record at 120 fps in high definition. Let's see in detail the technology specifications of this new iPad. About the technology, it has the processor A13 Bionic with neural engine, with storage up to 256 GB, 3 GB of memory, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and cellular connectivity, a 10.2-inch screen, with a 32 watt-hour battery for an autonomy of 10 hours using Wi-Fi. It has the connectivity Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 4.2, Lightning connector for charging and data, 3.5mm headphone plug, a smart connector and a slot for a nano SIM. Physically, it weighs 498 grams, measures 17.4 centimeters by 25.1 centimeters by 0.75 centimeters. It has one power button and volume buttons, two cameras, front and back, two stereo sound speakers, and two microphones. The screen is Retina Display XDR with 10.2 inches, 2160 by 1620 pixels resolution. It's multi-touch with LED backlight, 500 nits of brightness. It has an oleophobic coating and it's compatible with the Apple Pencil. It has the sensors Touch ID with fingerprint reader, gyroscope, accelerometer, barometer, ambient light sensor, compass, and proximity sensor. It has 2 video and photo cameras, records video in 1080p with video stabilization, it does automatic framing, records in slow motion at 120 fps, and takes photos in HDR. But some features it does not have. No USB-C connection, no slot for an additional memory card, does not record video in 4K, and it doesn't have wireless charging. And these are the essential specifications you need to know to decide if this is the best tablet for you. This was another video about the new iPad, but there will be more videos to know everything about this tablet. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week, like the video, and if you have any question, write in the comments.